text behind person effect. If you find this video tutorial helpful, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So the first step is to import a video from your cell phone. So just import it just like this one and go to text. Once you're in the text, just type in the text that you want. Okay, so you can also resize. Choose the font of this text and drag it all the way to the end of the video. And after that, select the text and then we would be adding a fade in and fade out effect. The fade in must be shorter than the fade out, so you will see in this tutorial or demonstration. Once you are satisfied, just export the video. Alright, so I'll be exporting the video. So after exporting the video, create a new project and select the video with the text. And then click on overlay and click on the video without the text. And what you need to do is select this and remove background. So the removing of background will take some time. As you can see, it will take effect right here. And after that, you can just adjust the video so that it would be in line with the video in the background. So I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.